Hi guys, let's make barbecue chicken today. It is juicy, it is tender. I'm using boneless chicken breast. You can check the ingredient list in the description box down below. To your chicken, add salt, pepper, paprika, cayenne, grilled chicken seasoning, ginger garlic paste, honey, barbecue sauce, and just a little bit of olive oil. Do not add too much salt because barbecue seasoning already had salt in it. So then mix everything together, use a tongue or just by hand. Cover and let refrigerate for at least few hours or overnight. Over medium high heat, preheat your barbecue. This chicken has to cook 3 to 4 minutes each side. And I'm using my leftover sauce as a glaze since it's already had the honey in it. And you can see how the barbecue chicken looks like. It is very yummy, guys. Just give it a try and let me know in the comment section. Now I'm serving my barbecue chicken today with the spicy rice, a recipe already posted on my channel. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time with another one. For now, bye bye.